Amisha Raj, roll number 33.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start your presentation.
Okay, ma'am. A very good morning to all of you. I am Amisha Raj Singh, roll number 33 of Takshila College of Education. Today I am here to give a presentation on role of ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It is also known as Information and Telecommunication Technology. Let's see what is ICT. In simple language, we can say that ICT includes all the communication devices and applications. Communication devices like radio, television, cellular phones, computer, etc. And devices which are used for video conference and distance learning. ICT includes all of it. Let's have a glance at the history of ICT. In 1947-48, John Bardeen Walter Brattain, and William Shockley invented transistor. Yes, a transistor is not a computer, but this invention greatly affected the history of computers. In 1951, John Presper Eckert and John W. Mauchly invented UNIVAC computer. This was the first commercial computer. In 1953, International Business Machines invented IBM 701 EDPM computer. In 1954, John Backus and IBM invented Fortran computer programming language. This was the first successful high-level programming language. In 1955, the Stanford Research Institute, Bank of America, and General Electric invented ERMA and MICR, and this was the first bank industry computer. Here we can see a computer which was used in ICT in history. Now let us see role of ICT. ICT has a number of roles. ICT has brought many advantages but also has its limitations. It enables speedy communication. Today we can communicate to anyone in this world at any time and at any time from any corner of the world. It can be cheap and save on costs, but it can be expensive in hardware requirement. It can seem impersonal and it can be abused. Let us categorize this in two different parts, advantages and disadvantages of ICT. Advantages of ICT uses. It saves our time, receive information faster and timely, enables and facilitates communication. We can find people on Instagram, Facebook, etc. It also helps us in organizing transport, and we can transfer money safely and easily. Next, disadvantages of ICT usage. Cost of charging, credit, and mobile phone. Second, loss of mobile phone may lead to loss of lots of data. Educational and literacy barrier of usage. If you don't know how to use it, you cannot use this technology. Information breakdown, fraud via treacherous calls. Moving further, we can see ICT tools. The tools or apparatus which we can use in this technology are called ICT tools. Whether it is computer, mobile phone, laptop, fax machine, video camera, headphone, all these are ICT tools. Next, usage of ICT in everyday life. We can use this technology in education, banking, industry, e-commerce, and other sectors also. In education, to research or as a reference tool, to collect and process data, and for school administrations. In banking, we can make any transaction at any time. It saves time by using online services. Bank administration can oversee the entire bank activities. In industries, workers use machines connected to computers. Researchers use to analyze and collect data. And the last one, administration used to detect specific errors. In e-commerce, making buy and selling activities easier. In this critical situation of COVID-19, we can order and we can purchase anything online without going outside. In other sectors also, like architecture, arts, career, government, healthcare, home, travel, and transportation, we use this technology every day. Role of ICT in science. Being a science student, I thought this was necessary in this presentation. By the help of ICT, the scientists have been able to invent new inventions such as computer, cable TV, the rocket by which men have landed on moon, Mars, and are trying to live there. Thus, ICT is playing a vital role in exploring and inventing new scientific inventions. Role of ICT in education. E-learning or online learning. Second, ICT promotes high order thinking skills. ICT use develops ITC literacy and ICT capability, easy access to information, and the last one, ICT helps teachers to motivate students and growing interest in learning. Like Ranjana ma'am is motivating us in this field. Scope of ICT in education. A person from village also can refer the latest information and research every day. Television broadcast is one of the best communication media to educate students, farmers, and sports persons. The difficult experiments, advanced surgery for the medical students, etc. can be viewed. LCD projectors can be used for effective training. And the manpower problem, the human mistakes can be avoided by online examinations. Barriers in the use of ICT. The biggest barrier in the use of ICT is lack of resources, that is 32%. If you don't have any resources, if you don't have any computer, if you don't have any mobile phone, you will not be able to use this technology. The second biggest barrier in the use of ICT is poor connectivity. If you have all the resources and you don't have any connectivity, then you will not be able to enjoy or use this technology. The third largest barrier in this technology is lack of training, that is 27%. If you have all the resources and you have all the connectivity, but you don't know how to use it, you don't know how to operate it, you will not be able to use this technology. And the last one is lack of confidence. Without confidence, no one can do anything. So without confidence, we cannot use this technology. It's also a barrier in the use of ICT. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Amisha. Nice presentation and nice
Thank you,
animation.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now it's questioning
शानदार
session.
प्रेजेंटेशन।
Hopefully सबके पास कुछ questions होंगे, कुछ doubts होंगे. So please ask one by one. Please hand raise. Questioning session is more important. Please ask. Sham, Sham, please ask.
हेलो मिशन,
Hi.
गुड आफ्टरनून।
Sorry, you are not audible to me.
हेलो,
Hello.
हेलो अमीशा।
Sham, please,
हाँ बोलो सर।
please put your video on.
हाँ,
Okay.
आपने एक पॉइंट बताया कि लॉस ऑफ मोबाइल फोन, तो आईसीटी में लॉस ऑफ मोबाइल फोन वो तो हार्डवेयर का प्रॉब्लम आ गया ना।
हाँ तो हार्डवेयर में आपके मोबाइल फोन में बहुत सारे डेटा होते हैं, तो आपके डेटा मिसयूज भी हो सकते हैं उससे, इसलिए मैंने उसे डिसएडवांटेज में रखा था।
Okay, next question.
तो उस कहीं ना कहीं अगर हम उसमें फिर उसमें इंक्लूड करवा देते हैं तो मेरा लॉस ऑफ मोबाइल उसमें नहीं आएगा ना आईसीटी,
सॉरी।
या फिर जैसे मेरे पास एक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि आपने सेव टाइम का बताया। बैंकिंग के सेक्टर में अगर हम इसे यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमारा टाइम सेव होता है, ठीक है। बहुत अच्छा टाइम होता है कि उसमें बिटकॉइन भी है। अगर हमारा लिंक फेल हो जाता है तो उस टाइम मोस्ट
ऑफ द टाइम ऐसा नहीं होता है सैम, वो कभी कभी होता है, पुअर कनेक्टिविटी के कारण लिंक फेल हो जाता है, लेकिन तुम ये बात डिसएग्री नहीं कर सकते हो कि उससे हमारा टाइम बचता है। इवन अभी हम लोग जो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर रहे हैं इसमें भी टाइम बच रहा है। हम लोग कॉलेज जाते हैं, रेडी होते हैं, तो उसमें हम लोग को टाइम लगता है ना, लेकिन अभी हम घर बैठे कर रहे हैं तो टाइम तो बचाता ही है आईसीटी।
थैंक यू।
बताने जाने का 2 घंटा।
Okay, Sony, ask your question.
हेलो अमिता।
हाय
मेरा क्वेश्चन है, हाय, मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि
आप पहले वीडियो ऑन कीजिए। सोनी अपना वीडियो ऑन कीजिए, फिर क्वेश्चन पूछिए।
आईसीटी मैम, मेरा वीडियो ऑन है।
हाँ, ओके 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 ओके।
ऊपर से बारिश हो रहा है,
सॉरी।
तो वही मेरा सवाल है, व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ आईसीटी?
एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आईसीटी?
हाँ,
अभी हम लोग बात कर पा रहे हैं वीडियो कॉल पे, इट इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ आईसीटी।
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
2-3 एग्जांपल
we can use we can see news on different sites. This is the use of ICT.
Your smart classes, your audio visual classroom, it's also example of ICT. Your mobile phone also, all electronic devices is an example of ICT. Okay, Sony. Next question.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sony.
और कोई है जो क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहेंगे? Please raise your hand. No anyone. Okay, thank you, Amisha.
Thank you, ma'am.
आप कुछ मोटिवेशन के बारे में बोल रही थी।
हाँ,
तो इसी आईसीटी से रिलेटेड बोल रही थी।
हाँ, एडवांटेज ऑफ आईसीटी इन एजुकेशन, उसमें था मोटिवेशन।
हाँ ठीक है।